Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you the final part of my Bash Your Stash series where I used a handmade kit of lots of different supplies from my stash and I bashed it. By that I mean that I used it exclusively to make a variety of different crafty projects. So this is the final project share for the kit, and at the very end of the video I'll be sharing with you what is left of the kit. So the first project is this 12 by 12 scrapbooking layout. So as you can see, the title is Cutie Pie, and this is a very simplistic layout. Basically, I am about 3 years behind in scrapbooking, or 2.5. 2 years behind in scrapbooking, so I'm just trying to pump out different layouts in project life recently. So I'm going with more of a simplistic approach to catch up. So this is the one here. This is one of the Sunny Days papers that I put in the kit. And I knew I wanted to do a layout with this, but I wasn't sure how I wanted to do it. So what I basically just did was I did wreaths of the little tiny embellishments, that are left in those sticker packs that you have. So I've got some chipboard, some puffies, glitter, clear stickers. This is like a metal piece, little tiny ones, and then some little enamel stickers. And this is just a photo of my dog. And then the title is Cutie Pie. I did have to go into my stash because I did only put one pair of alphas in the kit and they were white and they were just not working for this layout. And I wanted something nice and dark to accent with the photo because it is quite a dark photo. And I called it Cutie Pie. So this is the first one. I've also got another layout here which is of my brother's dog, and I wanted to use up a whole bunch of wood veneer because I've recently come into possession of a lot of wood veneer, which you'll be seeing in a video very shortly, and I just wanted to do this trickling effect. I love doing these trickling effects with the little embellishments that were left on the sticker sheets. I did have to pull in these Tim Holtz tiny word stickers from my stash. This is the alpha that I included in the kit, and I had to pull these in because it was just too chunky having both of the alphas on there. So this is it here. I actually did film a process video of this layout, but the footage corrupted. So if you would like to see a process on how to make, using wood veneer to make a background like this, let me know and I can refilm it. But I like this one, just kind of a sprinkling effect. I don't love this layout. I think it's very basic, but like I said, I'm trying to make basic layouts to catch up. And next, I made a couple of bags using the paper. So this is the first one here. These are like, gift bags that you would put different Happy Mail projects, or if even if you had a little gift that you were giving to a friend. So this is it here. This is what the paper of the bag is, and as you can see, it opens up the top here. And I did a ripped effect with this rainbow paper. The rainbow paper, it wasn't from the kit. I did pull it in. I just thought it looked really beautiful with the kit. And I used some of the thickers and some pom-poms and the puffies. So there we go. I really like this one. I think it's super cute and like really quick to put together. I think this made me. I believe this took about 5 minutes to make, including the stitching. So it was really quick. Just fold your paper over and you're done. If you want a tutorial on how to make a gift bag like this, let me know and I can film one for you. I did make a couple more. So then I made this one here. I'm using this is a cluster that was made for me in a swap. They had it on a piece of their packaging and I just pulled it up and I've reused it. So I've made my bag with the same technique, stitching, and then the top opens up like that. So very pretty. I love this cluster. She did such a beautiful job. This was from Beck. A really beautiful cluster, and I just laid up some sequins on the side here and some pom-poms, but it looks really pretty. I was at the point with this kit where I was just done. I had no more ideas. So I used this one as the main paper. This is a 12 by 12. And this one actually was double-sided paper. And I just did the same thing. Ripped paper, stitched it, ruffled it. Called it the Lucky Ones. So that was the 3 baggies that I made. I do really like these. I think they're really cute. And, lots of ways that you can use this idea to use up your own stash. Then I decided to make some handmade cards. So I do have a tutorial on how I made these cards coming out the week after this one. So stay tuned for next week and you'll see a tutorial on how I made these. Really simple. They're just card mats using the larger pieces of ephemera. This one kind of looks like a baby card, but again, that was my own choosing. So there's that one. And I did this one here, which is like a little one. I would put this in Happy Mail just because it's really simple. Really like it. And then these are some of the words I made as well with the little leftover pieces. And this one here. This one I think would be really cute, you know, just to write like a letter to a friend or even, you know, your partner to let them know you love them. Then this one, I really like this one. I think this one turned out really pretty. And again, these were really simple to put together, so check out that video when it comes out. And then this one, really, really simple. But again, using up that kit, I was down to the bare minimum, as you'll see very soon. So they're the cards. I'll just give you a little quick overview of all of them together. It's just a really quick overview of the cards. I did make one more, but I've already sent it out in a new Happy Mail package and I don't have a photo of it. So there's, I think I made, yes, 7 cards. And then lucky last projects is I made some, like some decorated Project Life cards from my Project Life albums. I'm not showing you the Project Life spreads because I've only made the title cards. I haven't actually got to finish the layouts yet. So I made this one here, which just says family. I wanted to use the vellum because I loved when I did December Daily, that peek through that you see. If you want to see my December Daily album, let me know and I can film a flip through. So I used the vellum and it's family because this is going on a page that has lots of my family in it. So it's just this one here and it's stitched just add a little bit of extra detailing. Then I am also working on my September, I believe it's September 2019. Yeah, September 2019 album. So, well, not album, Project Life. I do monthly Project Life. So this is the card here, really simple. I just did some stitching and it's September. And I tried to stitch over that so you wouldn't see the words as much. I don't know if it worked too well, but I do like this card. It's cute. And then this one, really simple. I didn't have any E's left. This is the alpha that I included in the kit and I have no E's left. So I thought I'd do an 8, even though it makes no sense because October is not the 8th month and I'm aware of that. It was just an idea that I had. I don't love it. I'll probably change it, but it was just an idea that I had and I did some stitching and used up a couple of extra stickers. And now for what you've all been waiting for, what I have left of the kit. And here is what I have left. So I still have the vinyl alphas. Like I said, I don't have any E's left. So what I will probably do is still put this back into my stash because there is still a lot of usable letters. This was such a hard alpha, which is why I included it in the kit. Still have some of this ribbon. I did use a fair chunk. There's only probably about 1 meter left. So this will go back into my stash. I have some of this ribbon left, but I am really happy with how much I used. And for the stickers, I used a whole bunch of these. If you go back to the first video, there was 4 rows of these, so I used a lot of them. They'll go back into my stash. Then I used a fair bit of these as well. I could have used more of them, but they're just the really big ones left. I didn't use any of these, so I'm going to carry these over to my next kit that I make and hopefully use it. I think the colors just weren't right, but I am going to be doing marigold next. So these might work well for that. Here is a sheet of stickers that was left, 3 from there, so I really got rid of a lot of those. I used all of the lighter colors from this. This is the Chasing Dreams puffy stickers from a collection from maybe 2 or 3 years ago. So I will again carry this over because I think it'll work quite well with marigold or even garden party. I might use this with garden party. These puffies, I did not really get a lot done. The colors weren't right, so that was my bad. These I just put in because I knew they would slowly get used up. So I have used a fair few of them. I'm quite happy with how many I've used. This is all that's left of the, you had both of these, so the 1 and the 2, and this is all that's left. I probably will keep these for layouts. This is the paper that I have left. These 2 out of an entire 12 by 12, and I had cut these down to make some more Project Life cards, but they just weren't. I ran out of mojo with this kit. I'm over it, so this is what's left. another little thicker, and then this family word again. I used the other family, so I just was stuck with this one. This is all that's left of the sticker sheet. These 4 stickers. Probably just going to put this in the bin because I don't know what I'm going to use them for. I didn't use very many of these. This is all that's left of the acetate sheet that I included. And then these ones here, I didn't use very many of them. They were really tricky. And then this is what's left of the vellum. There was 2 sheets of vellum, so this is what's left. I found it really hard to use this. I had 2 chipboards. This is what I have left. I actually stopped using this because I wanted to keep a lot of it. So I'm not mad that I didn't use this. And then I just have this piece left because I didn't really have any photos that I thought went with it. So I didn't want to just use it for the sake of using it. So that is a lot. And if you go back and watch the video, I had a lot of this kit. And then these are the ephemera that I have left. So I'll just show you what I've got. I know that this still looks like I have so much left, but I'm so proud of how much I made. I want to say upwards of at least 45 projects. And this is what's left. That's just a sheet that's been cut down. So I'm really proud of myself with how much I've used. I will link the playlist down below for the rest of this, if you want to watch the rest of this series, if you missed out on either part 1, 2, 3. So go back and have a look, and I will be filming my new kit using the Marigold collection and other things from my stash, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. It was really fun for me and such an awesome challenge. If you decide to do something like this, please get in contact with me. I'd love to see what you make. I really enjoy seeing other people's creations. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. Bye!